You go, Rasta. So Rasta is now doing the backsplash on the end of this wall. And this wall runs from the window, the kitchen window, all the way down, all the way down, all the way down, right next to the refrigerator. So right now he's cut all them tiles so nicely and neatly and to precision so they can actually fit right where the socket, the electrical socket sits on that wall. Isn't that perfection? My goody husband. I'm so proud of what you can do. Oh yes. Look at that. So why did you put those tapes there, Rasta?
To line up the cut and keep everything from shatter.
All right, so keep things in place.
Yeah.
That's good. Yeah. Look at that. So this backsplash, we got it from Home Depot. There was 3 that we chose from. So we basically went in, we were undecisive as to what backsplash we actually wanted because our cupboards in our kitchen, they're really, really dark. I mean, we stained them this dark because that's the shade that I actually wanted, because this kitchen is where I'll be doing a lot of my creations from. And to be honest, my husband made sure that, you know, I get the kitchen exactly how I wanted it, right? And we rarely disagree on things anyway. So for my choices, like the backsplash, the sink, the faucet and everything, and the floor, he basically wanted the same things. Even the granite counter, we chose the same counter. So for almost everything in this kitchen, we went on the same frequency. It's usually easy for us because we tend to like more or less the same things. Most times we have similar tastes. So yeah, this is where we're at. Coming down to the end of this wall. So we've done all of that, all of that, all of that, all of that. I'm currently cleaning my cooker. So that's why it's looking like that. You see, I've taken off the bits there, the grills, and taking off the burner shortly, and I'm cleaning my cooker. So yeah, there we go. I mean, here in your, what do you call it? Stove, cooker. So that's where we're at. Yeah.